Quotex claims to be a user-friendly trading platform, but is it really worth your time? Today we'll dive into what Quotex has to offer and whether it lives up to its promises or leaves you feeling frustrated. Quotex is a digital trading platform that focuses on binary options trading, aiming to provide users with a straightforward and accessible trading experience. At first glance, the interface feels modern and intuitive, which is great for beginners who might be overwhelmed by more complex trading platforms. You can easily navigate through various assets, including Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, which is a nice touch for those looking to diversify their portfolio. However, while it does have a demo account feature, I noticed that some key information about the platform's fees and trading conditions is somewhat vague. For instance, the absence of clear details on withdrawal times and minimum deposit amounts raised some red flags for me. Overall, Quotex seems to cater to beginners, but advanced traders might find it limiting as they seek more robust tools and analytics. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Quotex offers a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy for newcomers to get started. The demo account is a solid feature that allows users to practice without financial risk, but there are definitely some downsides. The lack of transparency regarding fees and withdrawal processes is concerning. Additionally, the platform may not have enough advanced trading tools for seasoned traders looking for in-depth analysis. Also, the limited customer support options could leave users feeling unsupported in critical moments. Overall, if you're a novice looking to dip your toes into trading, Quotex might be a decent choice. But if you're more experienced, you might want to explore other platforms that offer more comprehensive features. In conclusion, Quotex could be worth trying if you're just starting out in trading and prefer a simple interface. However, if you're an experienced trader seeking advanced tools and transparency, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, tread carefully and do your research before committing to any platform.